Everyone wants to become successful in their life, but they don't know how to achieve the goals, how to get success. Some of the people are not set their goal yet, and some of them they know their goals, but they have not started putting right effort and not taking actions to make it happen. Why? Because they don't know how to get success, where to start, and what process is required to make it happen. Let me clear one thing: you will not get success in your life only by setting goal. Achieving success is required lots of energy, lots of effort, determination, ideas, creativity, followed by right amount of effort and actions. To make it simple for you, I am here. I will tell you complete process flow to achieve the goals in your life. Hello friends, my name is Praveen Lokhande and you are watching the Success Mantra weekly series episode number 3, where you will learn the complete process flow, a blueprint to achieve success in your life. I will tell you how to accomplish your goal. Alright, in my last 2 episodes, I have told you about power of habit and how to set right goal. If you missed to watch it, I urge you watch it before watching this video. You will get better clarity. It is available on YouTube channel and also available my all the episode podcast on Spotify. So let's get into the today's topic and understand how to achieve goals. It is 7-step process flow which will give you proper understanding and step-by-step process to accomplish your goal. Step number 1: envision your goal. Create a vision for your goal, like one goal, one vision, and set the deadline that you must achieve this goal by this date. Also, rewire your mind towards achieving the goals. Visualize yourself being successful. Feel as you have already achieved the goal. Believe me, it will give you new thoughts, determination, energy, and motivation. Step number 2 is dividing goal to conquer. Break down your goals into a small chunk. Let's say divide into weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis, and track the progress from time to time. By dividing your goals, you will be more attentive and focused towards achieving your goal. For example, we have planned to achieve a goal in 3 months. What generally happen, we know that we have 3 months of time. So in beginning of the month or beginning of the week, we are not putting that much of effort, and we are putting most of our effort in last month. And guess what happened? We need to extend our deadlines. What if we are starting taking action from the beginning and given us a timeline that in next week we will be reached there, by coming week we will be reached there. So by doing this, you will get success before your deadline. So this is how dividing a goal will work. Step number 3 is goal processing. Make a proper plan and schedule a step of actions accordingly. Imagine in your mind the step you need to take to achieve your goal. You must decide the next action step in advance and schedule time to do it. I recommend always put extra effort to reach the next level. After completing one step, plan what will be the next step and do it one after another. Like, make this as a process and work hard with the flow and with the right mindset. Step number 4 is committing to others. I personally believe that always tell your goals to others, someone who cares for you, because public commitment typically has a positive influence. This will also help you to realize the deadline of your goal. Making public communication, making public commitment can also help you to avoid procrastinations. Whom you want to share with, this is up to you only. I suggest choosing people who really respect you. They will always motivate you as well as guide you for the right things. Step number 5 is creating accountability. All right, accountability is an ongoing system of guidance with regular follow up by a trusted person. So I believe the first person is you only. Ask yourself about your current situation towards achieving your goal. Then ask your friends, family members, your mentor, your coaches. Let me clear one thing: without a mentor or a coach, you will not able to achieve big dreams. So whom you believe, or someone who already is there where you want to be, please take advice from them and improve yourself. Step number 6, evaluate your progress. Closely monitor your progress and make a proper system to review your success. By this, you will get an idea what is going right and what is going wrong. If you feel something is going wrong, then reassess it by midway, monthly, or quarterly basis and schedule the next step. And last, celebrate your success. I feel once you achieve something, even though achieve a small goal, celebrate it, because it will helps you to reinforce your mind and you get more reason to succeed. Acknowledge yourself intellectually, emotionally, and share your success with others. And finally, after achieving the one goal, it is time to pull out a new goal and begin the process again. Follow this process flow, put in the right amount of effort and energy, be focused, consistent, and make massive actions. Believe me, no one can stop you to get success in your life. Remember one thing: be patient with this process. Be patient with yourself, because there is no get a quick rich process in the world, right? So in my first episode, I have told you about the power of habits that will help you to channelize your energy. In my second episode, I have told you about how to set the right goals that will help you to find your desire. And in this episode, I have told you complete process flow, how to achieve success in your life. Please start following this. Please start implementing this. I am assuring you, whatever you want in your life, you will achieve. So all right, with this, we are at end of this episode. Thank you for investing your time to watching this video. If you think my videos are helping you on your success path, then please subscribe my channel. And of course, please do not forget to like, share and comments, because your likes give me motivation, your comments give me a better clarity to bring something new for you. And if you share my video, it will help me to achieve my goal, which is to reach out to more people to get them success in their life. So this is Praveen Lokhande signing off. You're watching the Success Mantra Weekly Series episode number 3, where you learn how to get success in your life. Start implementing this to make it happen. I will see you until next week with my new episode. Till then, bye bye, take care.